Hi there, and welcome to Getting Clean on the Prairies. Today is my first mail call video that I'm making. Hopefully I'll be making more of them. I just wanted to share this with everybody because this is kind of a special piece of mail that I got from another fellow YouTube gardener who was offering to send out seeds to anybody who wanted them. So it's kind of nice to get a personal type delivery like this rather than from, a seed company. But anyways, Brandy from the Suburban Gardenista has a channel on YouTube, and she is a Canadian gardener like myself and from Southern Ontario. And she has a series of videos on harvesting seeds from perennials and flowers, and the one that I was watching regarding butterfly weed, she was offering to send seeds out to people. So I asked her if she would please send me some. And I received this probably a week ago and have been putting off opening it till I could have time to make a video. So I'm gonna crack it open here and we'll check out seeds for butterfly weed. Something that I've been trying to get going in my perennial gardens. It's good for attracting bees and butterflies and hummingbirds to your garden. So here is the little package that I got. It says, Tracy, enjoy from Brandy, butterfly weed seeds. So we'll try to open them up here and hopefully they don't spill all over. I've collected quite a few different flower seeds myself that I am hoping that I can get going in the spring. These need to go through a stratification process, which means they need to be, I guess, refrigerated or frozen and kind of a thawing out period. So I'm going to try them, growing them a couple different ways. First of all, I'll just show you the seeds. They're very large and pretty. I don't know if you can see those. Maybe on the see them better on the paper. So they're quite large. So I think I'm going to try these using the winter sowing method that I had done last winter. That's kind of a natural way to stratify your seeds. So I'll plant them in jugs, milk jugs that kind of act as a mini terrarium, probably February, March. About that time of the year, put them outside in the snow to let them freeze and thaw naturally, and hopefully in early May they will start sprouting. So you can watch for a video like that. So thank you very much, Brandy. I will leave the link to her YouTube channel below as well. I hope you check it out. She's got a lot of great information there. So besides the winter sowing method, I will also just try potting them up as a seedling in probably early spring, probably March. Keep these in the refrigerator so that they are kept cold and go through that stratification process. So hopefully one of these or both of these methods will produce some healthy seedlings to put into my perennial garden in 2021. And in here, this is my seed box for all the flower seeds that I've collected. Last year I did a lot of petunias that I gathered seeds from. I have marigolds. I have calendula flowers. So petunias is something that I'm really struggling to have success with growing indoors or starting indoors. They are a great flower for zone 3 here in Saskatchewan because they're so hardy and they bloom all summer long, and they are a wonderful flower here. So I spent a lot of money at the greenhouses buying petunias. So I've tried to collect seeds from all the ones that I grew this year, and we will be starting them indoors probably in February, I believe. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be part of that when I start filming that. So I hope you enjoyed this mail call. I'm hoping I know I'll be ordering more seeds. I got some on the way right now, so I will probably be doing more of these. Again, thank you to Brandy for sending me these seeds. I will add them to my collection, and stay tuned to see how we get these started, hopefully in early spring of 2021.